In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a YouTube video on LinkedIn in just a few minutes. Sharing your YouTube content on LinkedIn helps you reach professionals, promote your brand, spark conversations, and drive more viewers back to your channel. I'll walk you through the exact process, and along the way, I'll give you clear pointers so you feel confident posting right away. First, log into your LinkedIn account. Once you're on the home page, look to the top for the Start a Post button. That's the box where you'll create your update. Now grab your YouTube link. If you already have it, great. If not, head over to YouTube, open the video you want to share, and copy its URL, either from your browser's address bar or by clicking the share button under the video and copying the link there. Both options work the same way. Return to LinkedIn and paste the link directly into the post box. Give it a moment and LinkedIn will automatically pull in a preview with the video's title, thumbnail, and a short description. This makes your post look clean and clickable without any extra formatting. If you see the wrong link, simply delete it and paste the correct one. Before you publish, add a short message above the link. Keep it simple, 1 or 2 sentences that explain what viewers will learn or why it matters. You can pose a quick question, share a brief insight, or invite feedback. A clear line like, "New tutorial on optimizing thumbnails, what do you think?" can make your audience more likely to stop, watch, and respond. When your preview looks good and your message is set, click Post. Your video will appear on your feed where your connections can watch it, react, comment, and share it forward. That engagement helps your content travel beyond your immediate network and brings fresh eyes to your channel. And that's all it takes. In just a few minutes, you've shared your YouTube video on LinkedIn in a way that looks professional and drives attention. Whether it's a vlog, a tutorial, or a product demo, this simple workflow can amplify your reach and support your broader content strategy. Thanks for watching. I hope this walkthrough makes sharing your videos on LinkedIn even easier. For more straightforward tips on boosting your online presence, be sure to check out the next tutorial.